The spiral is, at its core, a creative framework. It provides a structure within which you can create magic. But it's not a rigid structure that makes you feel trapped or stifled. It's a structure to play in, to work with. Innovative leaps don't happen at the end of a rigid, linear process filled with busyness and metrics. They happen when there's room for inspiration and reflection built into the process. The spiral framework started in engineering to make the development of complex technical systems more efficient and forgiving. It's a framework for creativity and design. Whether you are building a technical solution, an impactful business, or a life you love, you are a designer. We see this iterative design framework throughout our human existence in the patterns of nature, the seasons of Earth, the phases of the moon, the cycling of a woman's body, the life cycle of plants and animals. Using the spiral as a design framework is a natural extension of the paradigms we were born into, which makes it a powerful tool for innovation and expansion.
My hope for this book is that it drives you forward to think like an innovator, to let your curiosity and your sense of innovation drive your growth, but that it's also an engine of expansion, a feeling of abundance and space to play and explore in the present moment. That's what I want Spiral to be for you.